Hi, welcome back to another daily video. Today I'm here with
Vale and my puppy McLovin.
and today we're doing Puppy Chooses our makeup. So we already put our base on, and here's McLovin.
Here's this guy. He's gonna go away after a little bit because he does not like sitting here. But the first thing I'm gonna have him right now pick my eyeshadow palette and my brush. And so basically the first one he sniffs or licks is the one I'm going to use. So let's see.
I'm going to line my 4 concealer up.
Okay. Let's see. I'm going to take him. Oh, he sniffed the Ellen Tracy. Okay.
Okay, now.
This is what he sniffed. I hate these colors. And then the brush he sniffed is this one. So, yeah.
Okay, so. I have 4 concealers.
Going.
First I have a Fit Me.
He doesn't want to be here right now.
And then a Clinique. And L'Oreal Infallible. And an Instant Age Rewind Eraser. Rob was under the bed.
Puff. So yeah, first thing I'm gonna be starting off with is my thank you, camera person.
Now which would you like to see? He sniffed the Clinique.
Yeah, so and for me he sniffed the NYX.
And he's climbing under the bed.
Go! Come back here. Chop! No, we're not going to
We apologize for the background noise, but puppies don't cooperate.
No, they don't. He doesn't want to be here.
But they actually are really excited to see you guys, but they don't know what we're doing, so.
And they don't like the giant ring light. That's in front of us.
Guys, I think the dogs quit.
Yeah, our dogs actually quit. We're gonna need to get a new one.
I can get Sheldon.
Okay, let those two out.
Yeah, let them out.
Hoppers. You're free to leave. Dogs. The door is open.
Yeah, I'm done with that. Now I got rid of the dots under my eyes. The next thing we're gonna be doing is my chubby stick.
Look, the door is open. Leave. Oh my God, look.
Here.
I'm gonna take some NYX Bear With Me Setting Spray and spray that in my face.
Hey, the dog never picked that chubby stick.
Okay, get him out and then grab Sheldon. Okay. So we have to grab a new dog. I know that's the weirdest thing, grab a new dog, but we have 3 dogs here, so. And my dog will probably cooperate better.
Sheldon's gonna walk.
Oh.
Take this one.
So, actually, McLovin's the only puppy that will cooperate here. So, he's sitting on my lap currently, if you can't see him. But the next thing that we are going to do is I'm going to be using this Clinique Chubby Stick.
Oh, he does not want to be here. Let's put him down. He's my puppy.
No.
Oh, Sheldon is back. Looks like we can go get him. I don't have many makeup.
I'll be right back. I'm going to go get my dog, so Vale, you just tell him about yourself.
Yeah, so guys, I won't be on this channel every day, but we're gonna do some Q&R with our camera person. So here's your microphone, camera person. Do you like makeup? Okay, so that's one answer. Why do you not like makeup? Can you answer that?
Because it covers up your true beauty.
Your true beauty. Okay, so that's it. So guys, comment down below if we should do a video with cameraman.
No.
It's camera person. Yes. No. Comment down below because we totally will do one. And
No one is commenting on these videos.
And yeah, make sure to comment. The last video we posted was like 14 hours ago. Just like comment on the videos, and then so that's question camera person. Okay, now I'm done with my chubby stick.
Okay.
This is Sheldon.
This is my dog, Sheldon. He's very cooperative.
You crazy girl.
It was crazy explaining to my mom I was like, what were these things on my cheeks? Then I'm going to be taking a big brush and blending that out more. Now, I don't contour my nose because it looks awesome.
Sorry about the background noise.
Shut! We have loud dogs in here.
Yeah.
Our other dog isn't cooperating. Doggo Fog.
Next thing I do is this Ulta Beauty Brow Tint Medium.
Now,
That's my other dog now. He wants to come in.
no, don't let him in. Don't let him in. Don't let him in.
He hates Sheldon.
Doggo, hey, wait.
Actually, just let him in.
Hey, wait. Don't wait. Okay, so Sheldon, pick one of these and blush it.
Oh my god.
So this, no.
Have you taken them out at all? They've had to go out.
Okay, so now I'm just gonna be taking this.
Stop! We're doing a makeup video. I understand. You can subscribe and watch it. Oh my god. He just really wants to be in the video. Fine. Come here. Come here, buddy.
Okay, so
Oh no, he doesn't. He does not want to be in the video.
he just wants to
He just wants to eat food. That's it. And since my awesome dog decided to pick out an Ellen Tracy palette, we have to do that now. So he picked out this Ellen Tracy eyeshadow palette.
that's a really bad choice. Your dog doesn't know anything about makeup.
And your dog does. What did he pick out?
Okay, so now choose this
Hey!
eyeshadow palette. Which one?
Let's see.
James Charles palette.
Have him choose my shade. She said this one.
Choose a shade, buddy. Okay, so he chose this one. I'm just starting by applying brown base.
Okay. Here we go.
Sorry about the background noise again.
It's called a loud dog.
This is why you don't allow you in here.
Oh, we should just take shit. This video Sheldon has to go back in the room.
Okay. So you picked the greenish shade. Okay, so pick another shade, buddy.
I gotta say, like, my dog
Ooh,
did
you
not.
picked the purple
One more
shade
bar.
with a green shade. This is gonna be weird, but
One more bar.
Whoop, you're doing two shades. I'm just doing. Now I'm
One more
gonna
bar.
just use this Instant
Okay.
Age Rewind
One more bar.
Effure
he can throw shades.
eraser. It's Maybelline.
Okay, he chose a purple. He chose a purple and a green. A glittery purple, another purple and a green. So I'm gonna start with my under eye with the dark purple. Then I'm gonna go in with this glittery purple. Beautiful.
Oh my god. Okay.
Where's the eyeliner? Where's the eyeliner, Millie? Shush. Oh, use a lip liner. Yeah, I'm gonna use that after.
And now I'm gonna go in with my dark purple and keep going.
Where's the lip? Where's the eyeliner? Oh, thanks, girl. And then I'm just gonna go in with this NYX
And
eyeliner.
Sheldon is very
He's
confused.
actually a very good boy. Like, I'm really proud of him for doing this video.
Oh, Sheldon says thank you. He's very scared right now.
Nice. Would be nice.
No.
Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with my lighter purple and go over the lid, and then gotta go with this green and right here. This is an odd look, but my dog chose it, so. Okay, this isn't actually that bad.
Wait, where are the cotton pads? Yo, didn't your dog choose your makeup? What? No. Where are the cotton pads? I need to take this off.
Okay, so I'm going in with the brush. And
Where are the cotton pads?
Let me. I'm just gonna use that.
Yes.
Oh, see? That's why you can't play with it.
Because I'm removing something.
No. No. No, he is nice. Kim, see him?
Okay,
So cute.
Okay.
Happy ground.
Okay. Okay, Sheldon, this is actually not a bad look. Okay, now I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye. Put some glittery purple shape under my eye.
So I'm gonna borrow her brush, but like basically, looks kind of actually kind of good, and I'm actually gonna.
And yeah. And then from there, I'm gonna take this and then get my glittery shade, put it above my lid, and then get this dark greenish shade and put that directly on my lid. And then I'm gonna take this off and
Hey.
She looks kind of good. I just correct it. Sheldon, come on, brush.
Why is it so oily?
Hey!
Why is it so oily? No. 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 No.
Ooh, that actually kind of looks good.
now I'm just gonna,
Yeah,
good.
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 Good. Let's look outside. Let's look outside.
No, she doesn't really do this style of makeup, so she
I'm
it's pretty
bad.
good for her. First time. Okay, Sheldon. Ooh, mascara.
Oh, you're connected.
Hey. Stop. You stop too. Rafa. No.
I'm just going over the top.
Rafa. Rafa.
Cool. Sorry for the background noise.
We have some dog
You're
bark.
being such a good boy though.
My dog and her dog won't.
Rafa. Rafa. No. Give me him. Hey, you're being so good. You're being so good, Chunk.
I actually kind of like the way it is. Like,
Oh, he's gone. He's out.
okay, so yeah, I'm pretty much done with my eyes. All I have to do is the eyeliner, which I'm actually very, very nervous about. Stop it. Stop it. Now. Stop it. They don't like each other.
It's okay.
Where the heck does the eyeliner keep going?
No. You're both going out now.
Where is the eyeliner?
No, you're both going out. Enjoy each other's company.
What's eyeliner?
Fine. You can stay.
You just
Stop it. You need to 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 stay with your brother.
No, just put Sheldon back in the room.
You need to go with your brother. You need to go with your brother.
Okay, so I got a couple
There.
of lipsticks
Oh, found it.
right here. And my dog is just gonna put, and whenever he sniffs, We'll put this down. Okay, sorry.
Sheldon, do you want which one? Oh, he picked purple.
Okay, so he sniffed this purple one. It's the Katy Cat lip gloss from CoverGirl.
Now we're looking at more when Miranda sings.
Oh, now it's finally quiet.
Miranda. Miranda.
Okay, so now I'm just going to be taking some NYX with my setting spray. Spray myself. And there's this look. What are you trying to do? You don't need that much eyeliner. Okay, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video.
Wait, what? I'm not done.
For my look.
Oh, for your look? I'm not done. I still see my lips. I do this lip pencil.
In the in the shade Dusty Rose.
If I were to give someone a kiss, would this stay on their cheek? Let's try it, Bill. Let me give you a kiss on the cheek.
And my dog actually picked this just cutie like red shade.
Bill, that's lip liner.
I know.
Okay, so
Wait.
to finish off my look, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills
Can you get me?
eyebrow gel. What do you need?
I need the red kitty lipstick.
Yes?
Yes.
You sit down. Okay, now
Here
I'm
it
gonna
is.
take the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow gel. Just put a little bit right here. I'm going downward to my natural eyebrow shape. Now I'm going to take some more of the NYX Bear With Me setting spray. And there's my look.
And all I have to do is the mascara.
What are you doing? So her dog picked this look off camera.
That doesn't come off.
And
Stop. Sweep though. Sweep.
And guys, that's our makeup look.
So, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. And special thanks to our doggos, McLovin, Sheldon, and Rafa for barking in the background. And we'll see you in the next video.